Welcome to Noah's Frying Pan. Today we're going to be making steak with twice baked potatoes, and today I'm celebrating 1 year on YouTube! Okay, now we're going to start working on our potatoes. To start, we're going to use this great cutting board my friend gave me a while back. We're just going to take our potatoes and we're going to chop them in half so that we can do it just like that. Makes them cook faster and it's one step sooner to after we're done cooking. Put them on our baking sheet and we're just going to put them on here face first onto our baking sheet, just like that. We're just going to do that, and we're going to put them into our oven at 350 degrees for probably about 45 minutes. And I will start making the steak. Okay, now we're gonna chop up one garlic clove, and we're just gonna peel it, or two. We had two in here, but it was small. We're just gonna peel it first. Okay, now we're just gonna chop it up. And now we'll put this in our pan where we're gonna put our steak. Okay, so we're gonna take our steak and we're just gonna set it down and we're gonna season pretty well with salt. Like that. Good amount of salt on there. And then we're just gonna put some pepper on there. Put a good amount of pepper on there. Like that, like that. Get the edges. There we go. And then we're gonna take this and set it in our pan, our pretty hot pan, like that. And then we will add about a fourth a stick of butter in there, like that. Gonna wanna get that butter melting in there. Okay, now that our butter is melted, we're just going to turn the pan to the side and start pouring the butter, basting the steak. Pouring the butter over the top of the steak, like this. Just like this. Now guys, when we're telling if it's done, for rare it's 2 to 4 minutes on each side, and then for medium, which we're doing medium, is 4 to 6 minutes on each side. And to tell completely when it's done, we're going to be using our fingers. So so this is raw meat, this is rare meat, this is medium rare meat, this is medium meat, and this is well done meat. So we're going for medium, so we're looking for this to be like that. We're looking pretty good so far, but we're gonna keep cooking it because you gotta get both sides equally cooked.
letting it cook inside, searing the sides like this.
Check our steak. I think we're good to take it off, so we're just gonna take our plate and we're just gonna take it, scoop it out. We're just gonna lay it on our plate. Take a little bit of butter from your pan, drizzle it over the top, and there we go. Our steak is done. And we can start taking care of our twice baked potatoes. We're gonna start scooping out the insides. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna take our potatoes, now that they've been done baking in the oven, we're gonna take a spoon. If you have like a spork like this, it makes it a lot easier, but you're just gonna wanna scoop it into the bowl. Now, this is gonna take a while. You just wanna scoop it into here. It's pretty great. And I'll finish putting it in here, and then I'll just show you when I start putting in the stuff. Okay, now we are going to put about a fourth of a stick of butter into our potatoes that we gutted out, and we're going to take about a cup to a half cup of cheese. Put that in there. There we go. And then we are going to half a cup of sour cream. And we're gonna add about a teaspoon of salt. A little bit of basil. A little bit of a, a little bit of parsley. A little bit of onion powder. A little bit of garlic powder. A little bit of pepper. And now we are going to mash this in. Okay, now that it's partially mixed in, we will add our bacon bits. That's about 3 pieces of bacon, by the way.
We're just gonna mix that in there.
Okay, now what we're going to do is we're going to take our filling and we're going to place it into our potato now. Just like that, you want it stacked in there. You just want to load up each one. We're going to put a little more cheese on the top of our potatoes, like that. And then we're gonna put these into the oven at 350 degrees for about 10 more minutes. And then I will present you the finished product. Okay, we're done. We made the meal. We got our twice baked potato or steak. Let's cut into the steak and see how we did. Okay, here we go. It's a little tough. Pretty good. A little overdone. It's okay. So let's check out our twice baked potato. Here we are, nice cheesy outside. Pretty great. Yeah. So that is our steak and baked potatoes. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. See you later. Three, two, one. Welcome to Noah's Frying Pan. Today I'm going to be making a steak dinner with not mashed potato. Scratch that.
Restart.
Steak with twice baked potatoes. And today I am celebrating 1 year on YouTube.